Want to get fascinated by the glory of the world? Do you ever realize there are many incredible things in the world whose grandness will amaze you, such as the tallest statues in the world? From towering tributes to cultural icons to giant works of art, these statues are truly impressive feats of engineering and design. You would not like to miss this opportunity to learn about the history and significance of some of the most impressive statues on the planet. Get ready to be amazed by the journey of what are the top 5 tallest statues in the world. Hello and welcome to the new video by the Education Magazine. In the video, we explore 5 of the tallest statues in the world that will take you on a trip around the grandness of the world's greatest creations. Statue of Unity. Completed in 2018, the Statue of Unity is located in the Narmada district of Gujarat, India. The statue is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of India's greatest leaders and independence activists. Standing over 597 feet tall, it is the tallest statue in the world, towering over even the Great Wall of China. As you approach the Statue of Unity, you will get struck by its enormous size and the intricate details carved into the bronze exterior. While making your way to the top of the statue, you will be treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The statue is a source of national pride and inspiration, as well as a must-see attraction for history buffs and thrill seekers. Spring Temple Buddha. One of the most breathtaking and iconic landmarks in the world is the Spring Temple Buddha. Constructed in 2008, the Spring Temple Buddha stands tall in the Hunan province of China. With a height of 128 meters, it is the world's second tallest statue and an amazing sight to behold. The Spring Temple Buddha is made of over 1,100 bronze castings and decorated with gold leaf, giving it a stunning and regal appearance. It is based on the lotus throne, a symbol of enlightenment and purity in the Buddhist tradition. However, the Spring Temple Buddha is not just a place of spiritual contemplation, it is a powerful reminder of the cultural history of China. So if you are planning a trip to China, be sure to add the Spring Temple Buddha to your list of must-see attractions. Lake Yansekia. Lake Yansekia is a massive standing Buddha statue and a symbol of the Buddhist faith. It is constructed in 2008 in the Katakintong region of central Myanmar and is one of the most spectacular and awe-inspiring places on Earth. It is surrounded by a peaceful and serene garden filled with lush foliage and tranquil waterways. It offers a relaxing and reflective environment for visitors to enjoy. Statue of Belief. The Statue of Belief, located in Nathdwara, Rajasthan, India, is the tallest statue of Lord Shiva in the world. It was constructed in 2022 and stands 112 meters tall that serves as a symbol of strength, hope, and solidarity. The statue depicts Lord Shiva in a sitting position, detached, and meditative state that can be seen from 20 kilometers away. The true beauty of the Statue of Belief lies in its message. It serves as a reminder that with belief in ourselves and our abilities, we can overcome even the most difficult challenges. So the next time you want to find strength and determination, just visit the Statue of Belief. Ashiku Daibatsu. Ashiku Daibatsu is located in Ashiku, Ibaraki, Japan. It is a bronze statue of the Buddha Amitabha and one of the tallest statues in the world. The statue was completed in 1993 and has since become a major tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the globe. The statue has an elevator that takes visitors to an observation deck in the Buddha's chest, with panoramic views of the area. Ashiku Daibatsu houses a museum that shares the Buddha's teachings. It also features a meditation hall and a beautiful garden with blooming flowers and tranquil water features. So if you are ever in Japan, make sure to put the Ashiku Daibatsu on your list of must-see attractions. It is an experience you will never forget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel of the Education Magazine for staying up to date on all of our amazing stories.